Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, for the first we have to be logged into our Instagram account. So here I got the Instagram and I'm logging, so I'm going to pick up the picture that I want to download. So I'm going for our profile and I will take, for example, this picture. And right now we have to go back, move to the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type the Repost for Instagram. We can take it from the quick list, and we have to get this application from the KimC929. So let's install. Right now we can open, and we have two ways how to save the picture. So here we got the preview. So let's go for our Instagram. Right now click right here on the three dots in the right upper corner and click share. And right now we have to pick up the Repost application. It's right here. Then we can just simply go back and open the app one more time. And right here, and it saves 3 pictures that were in the post, so we can delete the others because we only want to focus on, well, come on, we only want to focus on this one. So we can take the signature by clicking right here, and if you want to save it, you have to click on the middle button, and there is the notification that was saved to the gallery. So right now we can just check if it is working, and I think that I'm going to the gallery. It will be right here. So here it is. And as you can see, it's very easy to download the pictures from this Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.